Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you top 10 Android hacks you can do without rooting your phone. Using all the cool hacks you can fully customize your Android device according to your wish and also able to use some very cool things with your Android device. So have a look on these hacks for non-rooted Android. So now without wasting time, let's get started. Number 1. Who is using my Wi-Fi? There are so many people who have the query in mind that how to check who is using my Wi-Fi. It is often possible that sometimes you do feel that someone else is making the use of your Wi-Fi internet. Now the main question is, how is it possible? Wanna know how many people connected in your Wi-Fi network? Download Ping Android app from Google Play Store. You can see every user MAC address and IP address from this app. And now how many exact people use your Wi-Fi network in real time. Number 2. How to solve mathematical problems using phone camera. Best Android hacks for any mobile and also help students. You can solve your math problems from Android mobile from just taking picture. You don't need to type anything in your Android mobile. And this thing saves you lots of time. Step 1. You need to go to Play Store and search Photomath. You need to install this app on your smartphone in order to solve maths using your phone camera. Once you install the app, you will be given a free tutorial on how to use Photomath for solving a problem. After following every tutorial, you will be redirected towards the main page of the app and you will see a camera over there. You need to scan your mathematical question with the help of camera, just like you scan a QR code. Now wait for a few seconds and it will automatically detect the question and instantly give you the answer. This is a perfect app for those who wants to carry a math teacher in their pocket. This is one of the best way to solve math problems and it also makes learning better. And it is also useful for parents too because they can now easily check their kids' homework with just a phone camera. Number 3. Turn your Android into computers like Windows. In this method, I will show you how to turn your Android device into a full functional computer. It requires a Lollipop or later version of Android to run. First of all, you need to download and install the app Andromium on your Android device. After installation, you just need to grant app usage access. Simply click on OK, permit the app. Now you need to give access to notification. Simply grant access to notification of your phone. Now you will see the home screen. Simply tap on OK. Now on the notification panel you will see Andromium OS is running. Simply click on it and launch it. That's it. Now you can enjoy a full functional computer by attaching your device to TV, monitor and keyboard and mouse. So this is all about how to turn your Android device into full functional computer. Hope you like this. Share it with your friends. Leave a comment below if you are facing any issue at any step. Number 4. How to control your TV using your mobile. You can even use your smartphone as a remote controller to control all your smart devices. So for this, I am here with cool trick how to control your TV using smartphone. The method is very simple and depends on some apps specially designed for the smart device to control this device. You need to download and install the app Easy Universal TV Remote. This is best app that is freely available in Google Play Store for your Android. This app allows you to control many of the Bluetooth Wi-Fi enabled devices from your Android by just pairing with them or entering the details of the device you want to control through your Android. You can only control devices that have inbuilt Wi-Fi or Bluetooth feature in them, which you will use to pair with your smartphone to control them with this app. Number 5. How to add night mode feature in Android. This method is based on a simple Android app that will invert all your Android color and make them perfect to work at night. This will be also helpful to your eyes as it will affect them less compared to the excessively bright screen at night. First of all, download and install the cool app Night Mode in your Android device in which you want to add this night mode feature. Now launch the app on your device and you will see an option to set your screen brightness. Now you need to modify the options according to your wish to set it best according to work on your Android. At last, you can set the minimum brightness level to work at night that will not harm your eyes and you can work easily on your device. That's it, your Android is now perfectly ready to use at night. Number 6. How to control your PC using your Android device. In this method, you can control smart device with the smartphone. It's really cool to have a remote control device that controls all your devices by just sitting at your place. First, download and install the app Chrome Remote Desktop on your smartphone. After installation, open this. Now there will be no computer till yet as you have not set any computer until that time. Now open Google Chrome of your PC and install the app Chrome Remote Desktop. Now the app will be added to your Chrome. Now click on it and you will see all apps that have installed in your Chrome. And at last you will see Chrome Remote Desktop icon. Click on it. Now the installation process will begin and just proceed with the steps and the software will automatically download to your PC. Now you have to set a pin for remote computer. Now go to your mobile app and click on refresh at top right and you will see your PC in a list. Click on it and enter your pin there and you will now access your computer screen. That's it. You are done with this. Now you can do anything on your PC with your smartphone. So it's all about how to control your PC using smartphone. By this process, you can easily access your PC anywhere using your internet connection and through your Google accounts in both the device. Number 7. Use Edge display on your Android. Like S6 Edge, you can also use the same interface on your Android device using a cool launcher Edge display that is available for all the Android device. This will complete customizing your Android device and make your Android look better. So must try this app and customize your Android today. Number 8. How to remotely shut down PC from anywhere with smartphone. With this trick, you can remotely shut down your Windows PC using a phone. Yes, it is possible and you can implement this and remotely shut down your PC with your mobile from anywhere by just sending a shutdown request to your computer over the internet. First of all, in your Windows PC, download and install the program AirTag Switch Off. I have also given the all links in description. You can follow that link. Now install the app and you will see shutdown icon in system tray. Click on the icon and tick the options there according to your need, like force shutdown should be enabled. Now right click on icon and click on options, and there click on remote section. Now click on view update static addresses and note down the shutdown URL. You can bookmark this URL in your mobile. Now double click on shutdown icon in system tray and enable task. Now open the URL in your mobile and you will see the interface like this. Now you can click on shutdown button to shut down your computer. That's it, you are done. By using this, now you can easily shut down your computer from anywhere using your phone. Number 9. How to launch your favorite apps from Android lock screen. With this trick, you can access your favorite apps directly from your lock screen as well as notification panel. I am going to show the step by step that will help you to launch your apps directly from your lock screen. Download Launchify from Google Play Store. After you download successfully, open the app. After you open the app, Launchify will ask you to allow Launchify to track your app usage by enabling usage access. Click on OK. After this, you need to go to settings, which is located on the top. You need to enable the first three options, which is background tracking, notifications, notification icon on top. After you completed the step, it's time to restart your Android device. After the restart, you can easily access your favorite apps on your notification panel as well as lock screen. So that was the easiest method how to launch your favorite and most used apps directly from your Android device lock screen as well as notification panel. Number 10. How to hide files and folder inside calculator on Android. This trick will let you hide your files and folder in Android. We are going to use Smart Hide Calculator, which is fully functional calculator app but with a little twist. This app is actually a vault where you can store pictures, videos and documents. You need to set up a password and then press the == button. Then you will get to see the files inside the app. First of all, you need to download and install the app Smart Hide Calculator on your Android device. Now open the app and you need to set a password for using this app. This is the password that you will use to unlock your hidden files. After you confirm the password, you will see the fully functional calculator app on your screen. You just need to enter the password and tap on == button to access the vault. Once you enter the password and tapped on == button, you will get to see the options like hide files and unhide files. That's it. You can now select the files that you want to hide. If you want to unhide the files, then simply go to the vault and select the options unhide files, and from there you can unhide files. So this is the most effective hiding tools you can have in your Android device, because everyone will think it is a simple calculator. Hope you like this video. Share it with your friends and please click on the red subscribe button for more videos. Comment down below if you have any question, and I will see you in the next one.